So this is my instrument panel. You can see that there's now, it's kind of hard to see, but it's not flush with the, there's like a, you could put a quarter behind it, and all the screws are stripped out. See? They all, from them taking it on and off. I believe that they tried to fix it on this side with a sheetrock thing that you put into the sheetrock, put the screw in. That's why it sticks out now. There's one here and one here, but it's you know, not really secure anymore. So to fix the panel, I'm gonna put some supports behind it. I pre-drilled some holes so that it doesn't split, and I cut them to fit lengthways, and I'll show you once I get in there. I'm gonna use these screws because they're not gonna go too deep into the wood that I'm screwing in, so it won't poke out the other side. So you can see here's the boards. We're just gonna slide them behind here. Gotta get behind all the wires and the plumbing. See, and we're just gonna shoot this across this whole flimsy. See, if we push on this. If I push on the wood paneling, it's all flimsy. We're just gonna put these supports behind it to give it so we have something to screw into. And we'll just push it flush like so. You see? So you can see how it's like that. So okay, you can see I now have these boards running across in here to help support it. So even this is screwed into those boards now, and I'm going to screw these in next. See, the holes have nice solid wood. You can see the board running across the top and the bottom. So now I have a nice good backer to screw into. This is how I got to the other side of those boards running across. So I used screws and nails. Okay, I pre-drilled the holes so it doesn't split the wood. You can see there's a little hole right there, using just a small drill bit, so that way I don't split the wood. And then I'm also going to take all these wires here and I'm going to zip tie them up so that they're not getting in the way of the drawers back there. One more tip that I wanted to tell you guys is that anytime you're doing something with finish work into wood, you should hand tighten it instead of drilling. The drill can strip out the holes, so it's just always, I'm going to hand tighten these in. Yeah, it's all repaired up. You can see it's nice and solid now. Doesn't push in anymore, and everything works. So, and it's all nice and flush. So what I wanted to show you was the way they fixed it before was they just put these things in. I have a picture to show you, but you can see how fat that top is. That sits on top of the paneling, so it technically sticks out enough to slide a quarter or something behind it. So what you should use, if I hadn't used wood backing, is one of these. They're a lot thinner. They actually go into the wood and they actually tighten down to the wood. So this is actually a wood panel type screw. They have different thicknesses. This is for the thickness of this. I've used these several times in the trailer. I had to remount the fire extinguisher using these, and they're lightweight. I think you don't want to mount a TV with one, but they definitely hold really well, much better than these sheetrock type ones that are not good at all in my opinion. I would never use these in wood paneling. So this is the finished product of this. You can see I can push on it now and it doesn't go anywhere. It used to, like, come to the side so you can see. Used to, when you pushed on the light switches, it would kind of, let me see if you can see right there. You see how it's flimsy. Well, I resecured it, so now there's no, when you push on it, it doesn't go in, and it's nice and solid, and the panel's nice and tight.